All right, guys, this is like playing Wheel of Fortune. What does this say? I can't see the guy. It seems like there's tinsmithing. I don't know what the rest of it is. I can actually reverse this and submit it as a picture, but we are actually middle of demolition and exploring the potential build out for our office space on Monroe Avenue. So one of the ideas that we had was, or my idea, I should say, I should claim all of the credit for the stupid ideas. This is exposing the brick here, very labor intensive project, but we've gotten most of it done. Both sides I thought were going to be brick, but they're not. Actually, there's right here, there's an example of what is on this side here. It's like a clay tile that's used on the right hand side there. So I think what we'll do is we'll probably have this all painted a certain color and potentially bring in a wall therapy artist to bring in something that's really cool to the space. So anyways, here it is as it is right now. One of the things that exposure of this brick is getting me thinking is that it's a lot rougher than I thought it was going to be, but as you can see, it looks like it was almost actually chiseled away back in the day when they originally enclosed this. But what it got to me to thinking was that I was believing that the brick was going to be like this, kind of this beautiful, even color and even condition. Well, that was what I believed, but it didn't turn out to be true. So oftentimes I hear the saying that seeing is believing, and I hate that saying. The reason why I hate it is that when you're seeing it, there is no more belief. You know what's there. Believing is believing and having faith in yourself to do something. It's believing in something that isn't there. It's not present to your senses. When you actually dig into something, your beliefs may not be met. You may be disappointed, but it's not the end of the world. If I would have painted over this thing, when there was the cement on the wall, I probably would have wondered what was underneath that brick the entire time. This is kind of an allegory to our potential. So exposing our potential, exposing who we can be, takes a lot of hard work. At the end of the day, you may not become exactly the person that you set out to be, but if you set your goals high enough, then you certainly, when you think about it and you're grateful for what you achieved, you certainly won't be disappointed. So I hope that makes sense. We'll keep you updated as the project progresses. We are very excited to put our stake on Monroe Avenue and become a part of the neighborhood and be walking distance from work. So we'll be in touch and have a great weekend.